the past few days, we've been working on getting the Vigo Garden raised bed full. It's the kid raised bed garden that they offer. I got it in olive green, and Ryan helped me. We put sticks on the bottom, and then we collected leaves, and then we also put in goat poop and rabbit poop, didn't we? Yeah, and now what are we going to do? Yep, now we're going to fill it up with some good soil, because that is key to growing a garden. And then we will work on planting some seeds and maybe go into Lowe's and letting him pick out a couple so that this could be his garden that he maintains. All right, buddy, so you finished your raised bed. Now it's ready for seeds. Are you ready? You gonna take care of it and water it every day? Yeah, you excited to watch things grow? Yeah, so we'll look forward to seeing this raised bed filled up, okay?
Okay.
All right.